Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Mitre box is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any woodworking enthusiast or professional, allowing you to create accurate and clean cuts at various angles with ease, making it perfect for intricate projects and ensuring precision in every cut, ultimately saving you time and effort while enhancing the quality of your work. Number 5. Excel Blades Mitre Box Set. This is the perfect tool for intricate work. It's ideal for various projects, from woodworking to dollhouse construction. It features a comfortable handle and a sharp blade. You can easily make precise cuts at 45 or 90-degree angles. This durable mitre box is made from high-quality aluminum and steel. It's designed for long-lasting reliability, even with heavy use. It's compact and sturdy, ensuring clean cuts. You'll have the control you need for detailed projects. Made by a family-owned business with over 30 years of experience. It's a high-quality tool trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike. Get precise cuts every time with this superior mitre box. It's the perfect addition to any workshop. What we like. This mitre box set is made in the USA with a focus on quality. It features a premium razor pull saw for smooth cuts. If you value craftsmanship and durability, this is the perfect choice for your detailed projects. What people say. The saw worked better than it appeared that it would because the teeth are so small you can hardly see them. It's good for small items. The blade is thinner than I was expecting, which is great for my uses. The handle of the saw that comes with this mitre kit is sturdy and holds the blade solid enough for the overall low price for this kit. It's a great deal. I also love the fact that it's made in the USA. I am using this for all those tiny cuts that I used to do with way too big or a saw or without a mitre box. Things like 1/4-inch dowels and tiny pieces of trim and picture frames. The saw is incredibly sharp and thin but is still nice and rigid. The box has a clever design that keeps it in place against a table edge when you push the saw. Number 4. FIRSTINFO H5441 Mitre Box. This is the FIRSTINFO H5441 mitre box, perfect for precise cuts every time. It's designed for ease of use and durability, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features slots for 45, 90, and 135-degree cuts, ensuring accuracy and versatility in your projects. You'll achieve professional-looking results with ease. It can handle materials up to 2 inches thick and 3 inches wide. This makes it suitable for a wide range of woodworking and crafting tasks. The stable base keeps it firmly in place during use. This ensures safe and precise cuts every time, minimizing the risk of accidents. It's made from strong aluminum, making it lightweight yet durable for long-lasting use. It's portable enough for various work environments. It's designed and manufactured in Taiwan with premium quality materials. We back it with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This mitre box offers 3 cutting angles for versatility. Its fixable pedestal ensures stability during use. If you need a sturdy and versatile tool for various angles, this is a great option for your DIY projects. What people say. This aluminum mitre box is great for rough 45 and 90-degree cuts. The mitre box opening to put material into cut is just under 3 inches wide, 1/32 inch shy on mine, and 2 inches tall. It is around 9 3/4 inches long. Another thing absolutely essential to using this mitre box effectively is to put scrap wood on the bottom of the box. This prevents you from hitting the aluminum when you saw through the work. Number 3. GreatNeck BSB14 Mitre Box and Saw. This mitre box and saw is perfect for your woodworking needs. It's designed to handle both soft and hard woods with ease. With 12 teeth per inch, it provides a smooth cut every time. It's ideal for molding and trimming. It features a reinforced steel back saw for added strength and stability. This ensures straight, accurate cuts. It has preset 45 and 90-degree angles, making precise cuts simple. No more guesswork for perfectly beveled corners. A handy 812-inch ruler is built right in for quick measurements. This ensures accuracy and efficiency. It comes with a high-impact polystyrene box and a comfortable plastic handle. It's both durable and easy to use. It has a 3-inch depth cut capacity, making it versatile for various projects. You can tackle a wide range of woodworking tasks. What we like. This 14-inch miter box boasts a reinforced saw for strength and durability. It also includes a built-in ruler for precise measurements. If you need a larger miter box for bigger projects and value accuracy, this one is for you. What people say. The saw and miter box worked well for cutting the quarter round for my house. It handled the 300 feet of 11 16-inch quarter round fairly well. This is a hobby product for sure. I bought this for a single project of 12 2-foot x4 wood frames to be covered in fabric. I had no problems with the saw, but with the nature of manual miter box work some people may have trouble. There is nothing I dislike about this miter box. I do small woodworking crafts and this tool is a must-have for me to finally get those sharp, accurate angled cuts. I like that it's so lightweight and easy to use. Number 2. Stanley 1-20-600 miter box. This is the Stanley 1-20-600 miter box, a must-have for precise cuts. It's designed for accuracy and ease of use, making your woodworking projects easier. It features slots for 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 22.5 degrees angles, ensuring accuracy in your cuts. This allows for versatility in a wide range of projects. It has a patented storage system built right in, keeping your saw secure and readily available. No more searching for your tools. Made from durable aluminum, it's built to last. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Measuring 11.81 inches in length, it's compact enough for easy storage and transport. It's the perfect addition to any workshop. The Stanley 1-20-600 miter box is ready to use right out of the box. Start creating precise cuts today. What we like. This miter box features a patented storage system for convenience. It's made of lightweight aluminum and offers multiple cutting angles. If you prioritize convenience and ease of use, this is a great option for you. What people say. All of the cuts came out perfectly and my walk-in closet looks beautiful and finished BC of the molding. Works perfectly, really like it. I used it to precision cut hard plastic wire protectors for a bit project. I also used one of their hacksaws as well as the Mitre supplies. Everything worked as planned, and looks great. No complaints. Also, this thing being so portable helped a lot. I could just work in the area instead of running back and forth to the garage. Number 1. Olson 35-241 Fine Kerf Saw. This is the Olson 35-241 Fine Kerf Saw, perfect for precise cuts. It's designed for accuracy and ease of use. It comes with a durable aluminum miter box. This ensures accurate cuts at various angles. It allows for accurate cuts at 45, 60, and 90 degree angles. This makes it ideal for various woodworking projects. It boasts a 6-1/2 inch long blade with 42 teeth per inch. This ensures smooth, clean cuts every time. It's made in the USA, guaranteeing quality and durability. You can trust it for all your woodworking needs. With its precision and ease of use, it's a must-have for any serious woodworker. Get yours today. What we like. This miter box includes a fine kerf saw for precise cuts and thin slots for accurate angles. It's made in the USA and is ideal for intricate work. If you're looking for precision and quality, this is the perfect choice for your detailed projects. What people say. I love this little thing. I mostly use it to cut popsicle sticks and thin dowels for making terrain for tabletop war games. The size of the saw is perfect for my use case and is sturdy even when cutting through a thick stack of sticks. The saw horse makes cutting precisely very easy. So happy with my purchase. I've made about 20-some cuts on some little trim and really happy how this cuts and how the joints all line up perfectly. Not going to say every cut was fine finish, that's just not realistic, but the cuts were good and a little sanding cleaning them up easily. The trim was pine and it cut fast and easy. The saw and box is a perfect size for small to medium-sized projects. The miter box is solid aluminum with precision cut angles and the slots are a perfect size for cutting without jamming. The saw has a very flat blade with very good fine teeth. The blade is solid with no bending or warping. The fine teeth provide a smooth cut. This combination cut through my various materials and sizes very easily with great precision. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.